Let's now go to gua sha. Let's discuss puffiness of eye socket. This is caused by undesirable blood circulation and stranded water. It can be easily caused by drinking lots of water before going to bed, often sitting unmoved for a long time, preferring to eat salty food, staying up late at night, and undesirably slow metabolism. According to Chinese medicine, puffiness of the eye socket chiefly results from spleen weakness, so that spleen should be adjusted emphatically. Acute and chronic nephritis can lead to puffiness of the eye socket. It is suggested that the patient go to the hospital to receive checkup on kidney functions if the puffiness cannot be eliminated for a long time. Those with eye bags for a long time should be mindful of hyperlipemia, arteriosclerosis, or coronary heart disease. Here we have the points to be used. First, stomach 36, 2 suddenly, about 3 soon below the knee on the outer side of the tibia. Next is stomach 37, 上屈虚, 1 middle finger soon, the length of the second section of the middle finger on the outside of the tibial crest, 3 soon below the สุsuddenly point. Next is stomach 40, 松龙, 8 soon above the ankle tip. Next, we have spleen 9, yin ling xuan point, in the depression on the inner edge of the shin bone below the knee. Next is spleen 4, kong sun point, in the metatarsal area at the anterior border of the red and white flesh to the base of the first metatarsal bone. Next is spleen 6, san yin qiao point, at the rear edge of the shin bone, 3 soon above the ankle. Recommended procedures. First, use the surface scraping or the flat pressing and kneading to scrape stomach 36, stomach 37, and stomach 40 from up to down on the stomach meridian. Next, use the surface scraping or the flat pressing and kneading to scrape spleen 9, spleen 4, and spleen 6 on the spleen meridian. Therapy to increase the curative effect. With the face washed, use a hot and wet towel to be applied to eyes since the heat can promote blood circulation of eyes. 10 minutes later, use a cold and wet towel on the eyes for about 1 minute as it serves to contract blood vessels. With this done, smear eye cream to keep moisture. Thank you for your attention.